You are going to love the 2019 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, navigation system, heated steering wheel, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.